So next up, guys, got another one of these real nice Miller welders. This one here is a Miller DU-OP. So it's a diesel powered arc welding generator, guys. This one here is showing right around 4,700 hours. Had 2 of these units come in. Trailer's in real good shape. Got a nice pintle hitch, good jack. Rubber seems to be pretty good. This one here is showing right around 4,700 hours, I believe. So this one would be a 5,500 watt generator, and then also a 600 amp welder. Deutz diesel motor, fires up real easy. We haven't tested the generator or the welding welding applications, but normally these units come in from rental companies, guys. They're real good. So Garrett's gonna go ahead, he's gonna fire it up, give you a quick little demo. That's right up there, guys. Runs pretty strong. Just kind of zoom in on the hours here. 4709. Starts up as soon as you hit the key, guys. Runs nice and strong. So there's a quick demo of the Miller DU-OP welding generator. See what guys are